Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane, after his visit to Ladakh, said the actions taken by the Indian Army in the last 1 week have been historic. The Army never uses the word historic lightly. But you know what those actions are because we've told you about them. But what is the impact of those actions? Why is it that things have completely changed as far as rules of engagement on the border are concerned? And why is it that the Army says these are historic? We try and explain that for you.
Everything has changed here. In just 6 days, decades of standard operating procedure, protocol, and the old way of doing things has been consigned to history. The Indian Army is no longer in react mode, no longer waiting for the adversary to make a move. No longer playing it purely defensive. After 4 months of a standoff triggered and peppered with hostile Chinese actions and initiative, the Indian Army's way of doing things has just seen a paradigm shift. And things may never be the same again. Gone is the no first move posture. In 2016, the Indian Army's punitive strikes on Pakistani terror units deep inside hostile territory is seen as the prominent genesis of this shift in protocol. An Indian Army shift from playing pure defender to playing hunter-killer when required.
The Indian Army conducted surgical strikes last night at these launch pads. The operations were basically focused to ensure that these terrorists do not succeed in their design of infiltration and carrying out destruction and endangering the lives of citizens of our country.
While India hasn't conducted surgical strikes per se in Ladakh, the actions that began 6 days ago are by an army that has bid farewell to understandings of the past and assumed a highly proactive first mover role, setting the agenda, imposing costs, preempting enemy action. So what precisely has changed and what are the implications? They are huge. So far in this standoff, while the Indian Army has largely reacted to Chinese aggressions with a defensive posture, in the last 6 days, it has taken aggressive initiative to preempt and thwart Chinese actions. A huge shift on the ground. The wait and watch policy is also now gone, with the Indian Army now acting without delay. The earlier emphasis on talks is now strengthened by actions taken in advance. The institutional emphasis on the border mechanism has been replaced by a reality check on how China has totally destroyed those protocols. Finally, the proactive destruction of Chinese surveillance equipment is for the first time giving the Chinese a taste of their own medicine.
चीन समझता है और जानता है कि हिंदुस्तान की फौज इतनी सशक्त है और नेतृत्व पॉलिटिकल नेतृत्व मौजूदा हालत में इतना स्ट्रांग है कि वो किसी भी देश को दबोच सकता है। तो चीन की कुछ भी मकसद हो और ध्येय हो, चीन उस ध्येय में सफल नहीं हो सकता।
जाहिर है कि चीन चाहेगा कि भारत की सेना की वहां पर कमी हो जाए, इसलिए उसने अभी दूसरा फ्रंट खोलने की कोशिश की है। लेकिन भारतीय सेना इसके बारे में पहले ही अवगत है और उन्होंने पूरी तैयारी कर रखी है, अपनी प्लान्स में दो फ्रंट वार के बारे में पूरा ध्यान दे रखा है और चाइनीज इस अपने मंसूबे में कामयाब नहीं होंगे।
The Indian Army's new actions may have put China on notice, but they've also escalated the situation. With an angry China, both stunned and itching to hit back. One thing has been made clear. Few things will ever be the same again at the border. With Shivarur, Bureau Report, India Today.